There you go.
Oh, not bad. Jeez, they took a long time to get here.
What, you started from your place, did you?
Oh, I just drove up before.
Oh.
But I can hear it. I said there's fireworks.
Yeah,
I
why?
kept looking out for a while. I thought, hang on. There's a bit of a glow. And I thought, oh no, it's an outside.
Yeah, I was just in bed and I started sort of crackling. It must have been just starting and then...
Yeah. Very sad.
This guy next door, he's got a hose trying to take care of his house.
And the one on the other side, they're blowing a hose on it too.
I don't know how often they deal with this sort of thing. Like, I know houses go, but
Not that often.
I can't imagine it. Yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Probably worth dropping back a bit. Yeah, but...
No, come back with the other one.